opposite. Day are opposite. Night are opposite. Happy and sad are opposite. Long and short are opposite. Young and older are opposite. Big and small are opposite. Empty and full are opposites. Near and far are opposites. Long and short are opposites. Sit and stand are opposites. Laugh and cry are opposites. I hope you like this video. See you in next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.